Welcome to C# for Crestron programming. In this video, we will examine a method that has a non-void return type. While we will use a string type method for our example, the methodology is the same for any method that does not have a void return type. These types of methods have the same capabilities as a void method, with the addition of returning data back to the caller when executed. We will be starting with the C# console app .NET framework project called Return Type String. Unlike in the void method video, we will not be using a global variable to transport data from one method to another due to the string method's ability to pass data back to its caller. The method placement is identical, but the signature will vary slightly. Here we've declared myString method, which is static and of the return type string, and we will be passing in a single incoming string parameter. There are many ways to put strings together in C#. Here we are using basic concatenation with the plus operator for two strings. The myString method is underlined in red, meaning that it is not yet complete. The error in the error list notes that not all code paths return a value. What's missing? The return keyword. Since this is a string method, you must return a string value or a supported type. There are many ways to use the string method. We will demonstrate by returning a value from the myString method into a local variable in the main method. Console WriteLine supports the inclusion of a single string to print to console. Here, because the variable stemp2 is of the string type taking the return string data from our method, this syntax is supported. Let's go ahead and run this. Here we see our incoming message is Hello Crestron. Using a method that has a non-void return type means that it can be used in place of any item that requires an item of that type. Take a look at the compact form of our same operation. The WriteLine method requires a string parameter to be entered, and since myString method returns a string, it is essentially a string parameter. You'll note that when we execute this method from within the parameter of another method, you do not require the semicolon for the inner method. Running this again, we can see the output is as expected. You have now learned how to define a non-void return type method, in this case, string, learned how to receive the return data from calling this method, and how to embed that method within other methods. Thank you for watching.